Okay, all 16 I say, I didn't know you talked too much. I didn't know you talked too much. Okay, how about I didn't know you talked too much? I don't know you talk too much. Yeah, bad English chemist. Okay, I didn't know you talked too much. 1, I didn't know you were this noisy. 2, I didn't know you were garrulous. 3, I didn't know you were talkative. I didn't know you were talkative. Talkative. You are a talkative. Or bad English. You are talkative. Correct. You are a talkative. Wrong. The can consider get back. I say, I'm not in the Nigerian English. I say, I didn't know that you are a talkative. Or, I didn't know that you talk too much. Bad English, bad English. British English, you are singing. I didn't know you were talkative. Correct. Note, somebody is not a talkative. Instead, somebody is talkative. This guy is talkative. This guy talks a lot. Okay, 17. Ose, ama come na nwanyị ahụ na di ya dị n'iru. Ha, bekee mebi o. So n'Igbo sụọla gị bekee na bekee. Ama come na nwanyị ahụ na di ya dị n'iru. Onye Igbo wee lụọ gị ya. Nigerian English. I didn't know that the woman and her husband are in enmity. I didn't know that the woman and her husband are in enmity. He committed an offense which will be 10 years in jail. I can measure it again. Jesus. I'm going to say, Amen. 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 Or Amen. How about Amen? I will be carrying here. How can I get it here? How you do it? So, okay. The pastor, the pastor. To put a bit of a shabakon, a macash, there the boy, I'm going to have to say on us. Only say no much just that bad English. No, the pastor. The pastors. On a minute, on the med, Jikun Jikadinga. Ijinobu Jandinga. Oh, you want to be Bandinga. Oh, you want to go, you want to mark more. Oh, you want to make a big Pray. Yeah, I will pray. Oh, pray. In Jesus' name, amen. In Jesus' name, amen. In Jesus' name, Jesus. Oh, no, Jesus. Jesus said, when I hear Jesus, I only believe with Jesus. G-E, vowel number 1. The schwa, vowel number 12. Oh, you're my peculiar. Improper English. I didn't know the woman and her husband were in enmity. Enmity. I didn't know that the woman and her husband were in enmity. It's enmity. I want to be careful enmity. We have no word like enmity in English or in the dictionary. Enmity. 3 syllables. Enmity. 4 syllables. Enmity. 4. Wrong. Enmity. 3. Correct. Your mom and your father. Nesu. It's mom. It's time you to stop your enmity. Your enmity is affecting us in this house. It must stop today. I want to get you give side and about war in a family. Don't support your mom against your father. Don't support your father against your mom. When they have a problem, bring them together. Reconcile them. When they reconcile, the atmosphere in the environment or in the room or in the house becomes livable. But when one party is against the other party, I'm going to war. And there's 18, where is it? I'm a name. I don't know you know bad English, Nigerian English, British English. I didn't know you knew. I didn't know you knew. I'm not from new. I didn't know you knew. Plus, I didn't know you know. But I think I say, I know you know. But I didn't know you knew. Emma, you see, Emma, I'm not calling him. I didn't know you knew. 19. 19, see? I'm on the bus. I'm going to Messia. I'm on the bus. I'm going to Messia. I'm on a bus. Oh, yeah, I'm in a bus. I'll call you later. 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 Okay, the mother. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. No, I'll call you later. I am on a bus. You are on a bus, not in a bus. I'm on a bus. I'll call you later, not later. Number 20. Nanya, ndị Igbo gasị gị, I'm interested. I'm interested. Ịdị interested. Ịdị interested. Adim, ịpụrụ isi suru bekee, bayani, suru Igbo, bayana bekee, oya code mixing. Na otu a, adim interested. Swalya yotu a, adim interested. Adim, nareba, interested. Down, up, down. Vidaya. Okay, adim interested. Ịdị interested. Yes, adim interested. Now, number 21, we see, ihe a dị interesting. Ihe a dị interesting. And I'll see with English together. Fine, no problem. Ihe a dị interesting. Adim interested. Okay, how ihe a dị interesting. Adim interested. Mba. Adim interested. Correct. Adim interested. As in, this film dị interesting. Mba. This film dị interesting. Okay. 22. Adam embarrassed. Not embarrassed by you. Mayor to Adam embarrassed. Embarrassed. In a down, down, up. Agabo. Down, up, down. Embarrass. Embarrassment. Down, up, down, down. So I say, Adam embarrassed. I was embarrassed. You are embarrassing me. Adam embarrassed. Adam embarrassed. He had embarrassing. He had embarrassing. He had an embarrassment. He had an embarrassment. He had an embarrassment. He had an embarrassment. Okay. 24. He had embarrassment. This thing is an embarrassment. Here embarrassment to me. Here embarrassment. Over here embarrassment. Why are you embarrassing me? Don't embarrass me. This is an embarrassment. Mba. Why are you embarrassing me? This is an embarrassment. Why embarrass me? You are embarrassing me. Good. You look embarrassed. Yes. You look embarrassed. No. Number 25. All the tantalizing. No, he ain't got the tantalizing. I see. So I'm going to be kid. All the tantalizing. All the tantalizing. Up, down, down, down. 4 syllables. Tantalizing. Tantalizing. All the tantalizing. If we see this, try to be kid. Or that, or Daniel. I am not checking. And I have code mixing. Ndị Igbo na-eme code mixing rinne. Mana pụta ya n'akwụkwọ ma ka ime ya ọfụma. Were ekwentị. Look at number 26. It's na here are the somehow. Here are the somehow. All bad English killers. You need to go na o nwere ka ọ dị. Ihe a nwere ka ọ dị. O nwere kọma. Ihe adịghị enwe kọma. Ọ na-enwe kọma. Here will come up, which is CO2, even as well, we'll do it correct. It says here, when I call it, this thing is somehow. Mba. Simply say, this thing is not right. It's not right, it's wrong. That's saying somehow. Oh, this has to make a bad in this case. Number 27. Here when I come up, nwere kọma. Sụọ ya otu a, ihe a nwere kọma. Kọma anyị na-asụ maka ya kọma. Ịsụ kọma ụmụazị a na-anụ ya na-amụrụ kọma. Anyị nwere kọma na bekee. Ihe nwere kọma. C-O-M-M-A. Kọma. C-O-M-A bụ coma. But C-O-M-M-A. Kọma. Ya record na bekee na Igbo. Ka ị na-aghọta ya. 28. In a particularize. Okay, in a particularize the better. Olee na-ewu. Ekuzere ka ị na-particularize. No. I want to particularize this. Meaning I want to focus strictly on this. Simply say you're focusing on him. The focus, emphasis is on that person. Or emphasis is on this thing. One thing. Don't say I want to particularize. As you know, you be man so that's yeah. Look at number 29. I'm not commenting Bob Macania. I dare comment. Wrong. Comment. Down, up. Wrong. Comment. Up, down. Correct. I could be in English. Now, some of my videos on stress patterns of English. I could be joy. I can feel do get your member. Now, I want to comment on this. Actually, you could can you comment on it? Commentator. Commentator. Correct. Commentator. You want to get him commentator. Commentator. 1. I want to comment on this. 2. He commented on that in the morning. My father commented on this. Excuse me, sir, can you comment on this? Excuse me, sir, can you comment on this? Not can you comment on this? He commented on it on Yahoo. Mba. I commented on it on Yahoo. Mba. Or the wrong. I commented on it on Yahoo. Correct. Manipulation is next week. Simply say, he broached it. He broached it. Okay, but I'm here. It wasn't any Hebrew. You don't check what I say. Nobody checks what I say. When you're not so to you, I want you to be. You can't say what you want all the time. Say what is proper. Don't say what is wrong. Okay, well, see, number 29, number 30. I'll comment to Paramakia. I'll comment to Paramakia on ya. I'll comment to Paramakia. Correct. Correct code makes sense. I'll comment to Paramakia. But on the back of he commented on it. You don't comment about it. You comment on it. But you talk about it. He talked about it yesterday. He commented on it yesterday. He broached it yesterday. 31, we say, in a challenge him. See, in a challenge him. So you too. In a challenge him. In a challenge him. And I can make a sort of Igbo became so in English. Okay, are you challenging me? Now I'm going to challenge you. See, you want to challenge us. Now you have a challenge. Mba. In a challenge. Mba. You have a challenge. Correct. In a challenge. Correct. Are you challenging me? This is a challenge. We have challenges. Life is full of challenges. Not life is full of challenges. Look at 32. In Anwalem, are you challenging me? In Anwalem, are you challenging me? Are you challenging me? Are you challenging me? I said, yes, I'm challenging you. You do nothing. You are nobody. Huh? It's okay. If you challenge me, I will challenge you back. Call me anytime and I'll answer you. What do you want? Whatever you want, I am around. I'll give it to you the way you want it. I will take up a challenge with you any day, anytime, anywhere. And I hear the people.